In this video, we're sharing essential best practices to help you elevate the quality and reliability of your live stream using ProPresenter. Whether you're broadcasting to your church, a school event, or a corporate webinar, following these guidelines will ensure your audience has a professional and engaging experience. A successful live stream begins with a solid technical foundation. Think of your network as the highway for your video signal. You need a clear, fast route. The single most important step for reliable streaming is to use a wired Ethernet connection. Granted, Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's susceptible to interference and inconsistent bandwidth, which can lead to dropped frames and stream interruption. Always connect your streaming computer, the one running ProPresenter, directly to your router or switch. For live streaming, a modern, powerful computer is essential. Generating simultaneous outputs, program feed, external monitor, stream keys, and encoding video heavily strains the CPU and GPU. Using older or underpowered machines will cause performance issues like dropped frames, stuttering, AV sync problems, or crashes. For reliable, professional broadcasts, invest in robust hardware, a fast multi-core processor, a modern GPU, and ample high-speed RAM. Consistent performance relies on this robust hardware. Once your network is stable, you need to manage your video signal, the encoded stream that ProPresenter sends out. When configuring ProPresenter's capture settings, consistency is key. Your output resolution and frame rate should match your streaming platform's recommended settings. A good rule of thumb is 1080p at 30 frames per second. While some platforms can support higher settings, this is the general rule for a professional-looking live stream. Now let's talk about bitrate. Bitrate is the amount of data encoded per second. A higher bitrate equals higher quality, but requires more bandwidth. If your bitrate is too high for your internet speed, your stream will buffer or drop frames. Consult your streaming platform, YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo for example, for their recommended settings. But here are some general guidelines for the H.264 video codec. 1080p at 30 frames per second needs roughly 3,000 to 6,000 kbps, or kilobits per second. 1080p at 60 frames per second needs about 4,500 to 9,000 kbps, and 720p at 30 frames per second can use 1,500 to 4,000 kbps. Pro tip, test your upload speed and aim for an encoding bitrate that is no more than 60 to 70% of your guaranteed upload speed to leave room for overhead. Now, let's talk audio and video quality for your inputs. Even the most stable stream will fail if the content isn't compelling. Your audience will tolerate a momentary drop in video quality, but they will leave quickly if the audio is poor. ProPresenter allows for flexible audio routing, but the quality starts at the source. Use a dedicated microphone or broadcast mix, not the one built into your laptop or camera. A good quality condenser or dynamic microphone that captures the sound in the room provides the best result. If using a mixer, ensure the final audio mix is clear, free of feedback, and consistently leveled. Loud background music or sudden volume changes can be jarring for an audience that is more than likely listening to your stream using headphones. Before going live, always conduct a full-length, unlisted test stream before your scheduled event. This includes running through all of your slides, media, and cues in ProPresenter. Here is a pre-stream checklist. Check your audio. Verify all microphones are active and levels are correct. Check your video. Ensure all camera feeds, which you can manage as inputs in ProPresenter, are in focus, properly exposed, and color matched. Check your graphics and media. Test all titles, lower thirds, and video clips within ProPresenter. Check your network stability. Monitor your encoder statistics for dropped frames or network warnings. Lastly, appoint a dedicated operator if at all possible. For complex streams, having one person solely focused on the stream quality, switching your ProPresenter outputs, and monitoring the chat and comments is critical. This allows the operator to focus entirely on the content. By implementing these best practices, you can significantly enhance the quality, stability, and professionalism of your live streams, ensuring your message reaches your audience effectively. If you have any questions about specific hardware or software configurations, or want to discuss more advanced workflows like using NDI with ProPresenter, don't hesitate to reach out to our team at support.renewedvision.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.